Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the Lattice method. My first example problem is 49 times 34. I have my Lattice method model here, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve this problem using the Lattice method. So we're going to start off multiplying digit by digit. So we'll start in the upper right hand corner here. We're going to start off multiplying 9 times 3. Now our answer, as we multiply digit by digit, our answers go in the squares, but the digits within our answers go in a separate triangle. So 9 times 3 equals 27. The answer goes in this square here. And since 27 is a 2-digit number, the 2 and 27 is going to be in the top triangle. The 7 and 27 is going to be in the bottom triangle. Whenever we have a product that's a 2-digit number, the top triangle will always be the number in the tens place. Just something to remember. All right, next we're going to multiply 9 times 4, and the answer to 9 times 4 is going to go in the square here. 9 times 4 equals 36. So we're going to put a 3 in the top triangle and a 6 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 4 times 3. The answer to 4 times 3 is going to go in this square here. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 1 in the top triangle, 2 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 4. We're going to multiply 4 times 4. And the answer to 4 times 4 is going to go in this square in the bottom corner. 4 times 4 equals 16. So 1 in the top triangle, 6 in the bottom triangle. All right, now we are going to add all the numbers in the square, going across the diagonal lines. So if you look at the diagonal lines here, this represents the ones place, this represents the tens place, this represents the hundreds place, this represents the thousands place. Now looking along the diagonal line that represents the ones place, the only number inside the square is 6. So 6 is going to be the number in the ones place. Now looking at the diagonal lines that represent the tens place, the 3 numbers in between the diagonal lines are 7, 3, and 6. So those are the numbers we have to add together. 7 plus 3 equals 10, plus 6 equals 16. Now because our sum here is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 6 and 16 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 16 gets carried over to the hundreds place. And now we have to add the 1 that we carried over along. So we have to add, sorry, I got distracted by the chat. So now the one that we carried over, we have to add that along with all the other numbers in between the diagonal lines for the hundreds place. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 2 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. Now along this diagonal line, the only number in the thousands place is 1. And we have our final answer. So we have a 1 in the thousands place, a 6 in the hundreds place, a 6 in the tens place, and the 6 in the ones place. So we have our final answer. 49 times 34 equals 1,666.